Hello, this is Mark. A priori theories, supposedly scientific, are nonsense. Why? Well, the original theory was there was a big, humongous, just huge mass in space, and that mass exploded, and the heat formed the planets with gravity. Gravity pulled the um, particles of hot lava or hot mass together and formed spheres, and they cooled and formed the planets, and we have this Earth. Think about how think about how unlikely it would be for us to have everything we need for life, water. I mean, somebody could say, well, it could have developed if we had different circumstances. It could have developed differently. But we have water on this planet. Did gravity keep the water in? It does now. It keeps the water in the sky, in the clouds. Just hot masses from a large structure, and the structure exploded, and then gravity formed the planets. We have water, we have gold, we have all these things. It's interesting, all this diversity on Earth. But where did the gravity come from? Where did the time come from for this mass to explode? And Dr. Richard Dawkins says that nothing exploded. Well, can you repeat that experiment? Can you make nothing explode without doing anything? Why would it explode when it exploded? What would cause it to explode? What initiated the explosion? Where would the mass come from? Dr. Dawkins says nothing exploded. Can you repeat that? Can you do a scientific experiment where you get nothing to explode, take out all the air, all the bacteria, and just get it to explode? It's utter nonsense. Nothing exploded and everything came from that. He's getting closer to God creating everything. It's ridiculous to think that we have gravity and time and space and all this needed, and it just was there, and we say God was there, and so, well, who created God or whatever? You don't ask who created nothing or who created the the mass that exploded. If nothing created these things, how did they get there?